I am at the car wash right now. I come here every week, clean out my car because it gets pretty dirty from having all the dogs in my car. Even though I have seat coverings and things like that, they always find ways to get around it. Gonna clean out my car and then I'm gonna go on a hike.
And guess what? They
So I just got back from my hike and I went to the grocery store and I'll show you guys what I got. So this was actually all for under $100. It was just under $100. It was 98 something. I get B12 because even though I'm not vegan, I mostly eat vegan. Not really because I'm trying to, I just don't really like eating meat. I wanted to try this, I thought it looked really good. Almond, cashew, macadamia, nut milk. I'm not really loving all like the gums and stuff in it, but you know. The papaya, their Japanese sweet potatoes are really good. I got a huge amount of bananas. I eat them like crazy. Cashews, some eggs, kabocha squash. I eat literally an entire kabocha squash every single day. It's my grocery haul. I'm just sitting here snacking on some cashews. Now I'm just making some green juice. Next I'm adding some parsley. Parsley is really good for detoxing heavy metals. Then I'm adding half a cucumber. Super hydrating. Adding some kale. Really gotta smash it down. I don't have an actual juicer, so this is always an interesting process. Next, I'm gonna be adding half an apple. I personally don't like drinking green juice that doesn't have any sort of sweet fruit in it. It's just too bitter. Add half an apple in there. I'm gonna blend this up and then I'm gonna be able to fit more into it. Okay, now I can actually fit more into this without clogging my NutriBullet that I already put way too much into every day. I'm gonna add some ginger. This is dangerous business. This is always pretty messy, but to me it's worth it. Okay, so I just threw away the fiber and now I'm gonna redo that process until all of this is gone. This is all the green juice that it made and I'm gonna drink all of this. Taking a shower because I am a little stinky from my hike. This is my dinner. I have an entire kabocha squash with romaine lettuce and a dressing made of avocado, cashews, lemon, garlic, and some water. I really enjoy misting my plants because it just spruces them up and makes them really happy. This one is humongous. I've had it for 3 years now. I think it's really beautiful. This one I brought back to life. It was on its last leg. I also sing to my plants and talk to them. This one is out of control. He's like climbing away. This one is in dire need. I found this little guy on the sidewalk. He had broken off, so I picked him up and took him home. Found this little air plant. They just had a bunch of air plants and a little basket that said take one. And I was on the phone with my friend the other day and I realized air plant had sprouted a flower. I didn't even know that they could bloom. This is pretty incredible. That concludes my day. I don't really have anything else going on, so I'm just gonna read my book and relax for the rest of the night, but I hope that you enjoyed watching and subscribe for more vlogs in the future.